Are you tired of trading your time for money? Fed up with the constant hustle of finding new clients? There's a better way, and it's called the productized service model. Picture this. Brett, a talented graphic designer, used to spend countless hours designing custom graphics for a myriad of clients. He was always on the hunt for new projects, and his income was unpredictable. Then he discovered the productized service model. Instead of offering a wide range of design services to anyone who would hire him, Brett zeroed in on a specific need: YouTube thumbnails. He started offering unlimited thumbnail designs for a fixed monthly fee. Suddenly, he found himself with a steady stream of recurring revenue. And the best part, his clients loved it. They knew exactly what they were getting and for how much. But how did Brett manage all these clients and projects? With smart tools like Trello, he streamlined his workflow, kept his clients up to date, and delivered consistently high-quality work. But Brett didn't stop there. He saw an opportunity to scale even further by turning his productized service into a productized agency. He hired specialists to handle different aspects of the work, allowing him to take on more clients without increasing his workload. Consider the story of Hunter, who runs a successful YouTube growth agency. By offering a comprehensive solution to YouTubers looking to grow their channels, Hunter's agency generates a staggering profit margin of around 53%. So, are you ready to stop trading your time for money and start scaling your business? The productized service model could just the ticket. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's time to take control of your income and your time. Transform your skill into a subscription and watch your business thrive.